Hello friends, welcome to my new video. In this video we will learn how to use old blog post to drive more traffic to your blog. Friends, in blogging you have to publish the article on equal interval of time so that you you keep your website visitor engaged. Never forget that your website visitor give their valuable time to your website, so publish the article on equal interval of time. On WordPress platform, social media automations is very easy because there are lots of plugins and web apps where by using those tools you can increase your website traffic. If you are using Jetpack plugin, you can connect your social media account to with the Jetpack plugin, and I will cover this in the next topic. And whenever you publish your social once you publish any new post to your blog, and those posts will be automatically get shared on your social media accounts. You can use Jetpack plugin, and you can also use IFTT. IFTT is a web apps which automates your social media. I have written a detailed post about it which you can read it. I will provide this post link into the description of this video. We create a awesome post and we publish it. So whenever we publish the post, we get lots of traffic to this post, but after certain times that post get old and we does not generate enough traffic with those posts. Therefore you have to share your awesome post on your social media accounts. Like for example, if you're a blogger, if you've written some awesome article about SEO or social media marketing, so those posts you have to continuously share on your social media accounts. There are many tools like for Twitter you can use TweetDeck, and you can schedule your post. I show you tweetdeck.twitter.com. Here you can schedule your post in advance. Here is a scheduling option, and for the Facebook you can also schedule your post, but this social media scheduling takes lots of time. In this video I will explain you about the plugin known as a Revive Old Post, and using these plugins you can automate your social media sharing. These plugins helps me a lot to increase my website traffic, and this is my WordPress dashboard. I show you my traffic and impact of this plugin. You can see in this area when I was not using these plugins, I was generating 14 page views, 13, 16, 14, 13, hence my traffic was very low. And when I started using these plugins, I get 50 to 100 page views on an average. Sometimes I get 81 or not 8. So these plugins help me a lot to boost my website traffic. So let's move to the plugin dashboard. You can easily install this plugin by visiting to the official WordPress plugin directory. Go here and type Revive Old Post. Revive Old Post. Once you search here, you will get this plugin. This plugin is having the 4-star rating and more than 40,000 active installations. So this is very awesome plugin, and this plugin is developed by Revive Social. This plugin is a freemium type, and very limited features offered in free version. It's offer in its free versions to connect to the social media account, but I think that is the more than enough. Here using these plugins I have connected my Twitter and Facebook page, Facebook account here, Twitter and Facebook. And if you go to the, if you purchase their premium plans, you will able to add LinkedIn, Tumblr, Pinterest and Buffer. But I think that as of now, if your blog is not getting any much traffic and you are not making any money through advertising or affiliate marketing, then I won't recommend you to go for premium version. Try its free version, and once this free version start generating traffic using your old blog post, then go for the premium version. So once you connect your social media account, it is very easy. When you first time install here, it will ask you to connect and authorize the revive old post for the Facebook and Twitter, and then it will connect your social media account. So once you connected to the social media accounts, let's begin how to set up this plugin, so that this plugin generate more traffic for your blog using your old blog post. So first I will show you the what are the general setting of this plugins. If you go here, minimum interval of time, it is divided by hours to 0.4 can be used. So here I have used 0.1, and this plugin after every 6 minutes, this plugin send a tweet to my Twitter handle and share a post on the Facebook. So I have used 0.4. You can use as per your requirement 0.3 if you want to schedule a post after 15 minutes, 20 minutes, depends. Second is the minimum post age, means if you have a study published the post, or you how means if you want to share your old post like 6 months back old post or 3 months old post, you can specify here. As of now I wanted to include every post which are the 1 day old, so here I put the day 1. Maximum age of the post, you can here put any number here. Is here put you maximum number, and here you put you minimum number. Number of posts share per account when share counts. So at a time, as I said set here 0.1, which is approximately 5 to 6 minutes to schedule a post. So number of posts should be shared at the 1, which means that after 6 minutes it will share 1 post. Share more than once, yes, so that I wanted to share my awesome post or my old post which I have created again and again, so that it's come it get visible by the user. Okay, and which type of feature you wanted to share, like post pages or any custom post type, but this is the locked, means this is a premium feature. Enable Google tracking, I have not opted these options. Enable instant sharing feature, no. Housekeeping, no. Okay, then go to the post format. This is for the Facebook, and post title. Okay, so when you share, it will post title maximum character 500. Then include link, yes, I wanted to give to the link. Use URL shortener, yes, because you must use this URL shortener, because the Twitter having the character limit. So if you use the URL shortener, it will short your URL, and it will increase your number of characters. Use URL shortener service, so there are the options. Google Firebase only. If you have any of this premium version, you can use it, but as of now I do not have any premium version of this Bitly or every like this. So I keep is WP short URL. Hashtag I have choose the common hashtag for all because my website is related to the WordPress, so I have used the common hashtag. Either you will have the option to choose the hashtag from the categories tag or custom fields, but I would recommend to skip the common hashtag. If you are if you are writing about affiliate marketing, there's use the hashtag related to your affiliate marketing. It depends upon your niche, but I would recommend you to keep the hashtag as common. Maximum hashtag length I have set 100. Share as image post I have not applied because this is a premium feature. Custom scheduling, this is a premium feature, no doubt. Sharing queue, so once you do all the setting, it will share you the queue, means This will post uh, at 2:46 p.m., then 2:46, 2:52, like that. This is Facebook, Twitter, Facebook, Twitter, Facebook, Twitter. So this is this post or the schedule. Okay, and sharing logs. The sharing logs will be the show that successfully shared the post. So this is the sharing log. Sharing, you have to boost the AdSense, and means this is are the my posts which are successfully shared. Okay, now go to the here post format custom and for the post format you can same setting you have to do for the Twitter. Share count, maximum character 270, beginning of the post, custom field. So most of the settings for the Facebook and Twitter is the same. There is very minor difference. So this is very awesome plugin, and I am using it. And there is a if you want more social media exposure, if you want to connect to your Pinterest, then go for the premium version. Or if you are thinking that your website getting more engagement from the LinkedIn or Pinterest, you can opt out for their premium version. And I am very happy with using these plugins, because these plugins help me a lot to gain the more traffic. So what you think about this post, give your comments. And if you like this video, then please subscribe. Thank you for watching.